need? What I don't understand at all. Okay, you wanted to make it a pedestrian area. What was the need to dig up a perfectly good road and lay those horrible pointy tiles, which are so uncomfortable that a normal healthy person also starts, finding it such a pain to walk on them. What was the need for that? You are anyway putting barricades. What is there in SM Street like that? It is a pure market area. A pure market area. Heritage means you preserve what you have. You cannot create heritage. You preserve what is there, take care of it. The buildings on SM Street are not made in such a way that if the vehicles pass by, they are going to collapse. In Bangalore, there is Chickpet. It is a pure market area, far more crowded than SM Street, but they have not stopped vehicles there. They are comparing with some pedestrian streets made somewhere in Europe. Why are you making such comparisons? Those comparisons are illogical. In SM Street, we have not had a single accident case. Not one. So, this argument that it is for the safety of the pedestrians and all is all nonsense. It is illogical. I wouldn't say that it is only the collector's order. Don't want to name any individual, but it's an open secret. It is a vested agenda. It is not such a simple thing as wanting to make it pedestrian-free, area just for the heck of it. I would say more than 80% of the traders are not in favor of banning vehicular traffic. I mean, that's a pretty good number. Governments are formed with just 35% votes. So, when 80% of the people are against something, it should be removed. Today, everybody wants comfort and convenience when they are going to shop. We lost 2-3 major seasons. One was the wedding season, which is April, May, Vishu, Perunal, which is the Eid season. All those, and of course school and college reopenings. No uniforms, no new salwar kameezes for girls going to colleges. All that business, a blanket ban on the entry of vehicles was a nonsensical idea. Because it is not just, the people who are not doing business there, they are not stakeholders. We are the stakeholders, the business people on SM Street, they are the stakeholders. Solution is to actually, they should remove this ban, allow the vehicles to come and go as it was before, or immediately start construction of a multi-level parking place. But even that will take time, it will not be ready quickly. Till it is ready, they should allow vehicles to come and go. It is for the good of everybody.